gold. Now, gold has actually fallen down again. I was expecting in this bracket, as I've said to you, this is the bracket where I was expecting market to give me the drop to the downside. What market has done on the smaller time frame, it has actually given you this just before the 4,300, went right back up here, taken this top here, taken every single seller out, and then break to the downside sharp. Now, on Wednesday, I said that you guys, this is going to come back down below 4,100. Once it does, look for a buy. Okay, so precisely from 40.50, we have actually looked for a buy. Market was very clear on this one to the downside, and then push to the upside was very decent as well. Remember, gold right now is actually moving from one place to another place, in 150 points. Okay, and that 150 points is not a small amount. Okay, because in a day, markets are actually moving 100 pips, 50 pips, 40 pips is nothing for gold right now. So make sure you only trade what you can actually bear to handle. Okay, because many people, they just expect it to be moving 10 points or 15 points. But right now, gold is not in that territory of 10, 15 points. We are talking about 50 to 70 points on average right now. Okay, now, as I've said to you, gold will be your trade of the week to the upside. Now, let me just tell you how you're going to trade that one to the upside. One thing, which is the first scenario, corrective structure happening here, which is what I can see here. This will be pushing to the upside, heading to the upside, taking this top. And even after that, if it consolidates, it has a potential to go all the way to tap this top here. Okay, the tap to the upside to take all-time high one more time is not out of the picture yet. Now, when this will be out of the picture, if market comes down, breaks this, then go back up slowly, coming back again towards 41.50. And from this, if the drop happens, then we are in a bigger consolidation, okay? Which will take some time, which means we might actually be here for a good full month of November. But I do not see that happening. As I've said to you, I will be looking for a buy setup. As soon as market gives me this is going to be my buy setup to the upside. As soon as market goes to the upside, taking this top here, which is 50 points to the upside, I would be marking my trade as break even, okay? Because this trade is going to be the risk-free trade for me. And above this, if it starts to give me a corrective structure above 4,200, this is your sign it's going to go to the upside and keep on moving to the upside. And it's going to be starting slow, by the way, okay? This time, if you're expecting this one to go to the upside sharp, it's probably not going to happen. It's going to be starting slowly. Now, if let's say you enter with this structure and the market goes to the upside and then break to the downside, okay? Listen to me very, very carefully on this one, because I'm actually not only showing you how to analyze the trade, I'm actually showing you how you're going to trade this plan, okay? What if market does not do what I've just drawn? If it goes to the upside, you put it to break even, market takes you out and then go all the way and takes this bottom here, you enter back again below this level here. And this time, your target would be just to come back up to exact same level where the market is closing right now, okay? So from here to here, that's a good 150 points that you're looking at, okay? Minimum 100 points. So at this level, I'll be taking partial profits and putting the rest of my trade at break even. Because if market wants to actually go further upside here, it will just be completing this corrective structure. And I know that it's going to come back down. Regardless, we'll be making money. Okay? This is the plan. Let's see what market does. But in all the cases, if market comes down from here and breaks this bottom, or if it goes up and come back and break this bottom, below this level here, you must look for a buy. That's the plan. And that would be your trade of the week.